What made me design the freehand ring was the frustration I had with having to hold the gauze, having the gauze on my tray and having to stop and go so much between wiping my instrument off. I didn't like having to take my hands out every time and losing my position. I had to come up with something. I would drop my gauze on the ground, I'd have to stop, get new gauze. I just felt like I wasted time doing that. I don't like doing stuff that wastes time because time is very precious when you're doing hygiene. Hi, I'm Alisha Luman. I'm a dental hygienist. I've been practicing since 2010, and I am the creator of the Freehand Ring. The Freehand Ring allows dental hygienists to be more efficient, have a better workflow. An average day, if you're seeing 4 patients in the morning and then you have your lunch and 4 patients in the afternoon, you can save anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes per patient. That's anywhere from 24 to 40 minutes per day, which is a huge amount of time, especially if you're considering that you have to stay after during your lunch to do your notes, or if you have to stay after work to finish your notes as well. So, I mean, that's extra time on your time clock, which the doctor would really much appreciate if it was not on there. So you're saving money there.
I really like the freehand ring. I like that I'm able to use it on every patient with better time management. Instead of having to take my hands out of the patient's mouth to wipe off my instrument, I'm able just to keep my hand in, to keep it like a tongue retracted or a cheek retracted and not have to reposition myself. So that is really helpful to me.
It helped me avoid wasting time coming out of the patient's mouth. Once I'm in the patient's mouth, I'm comfortable. I don't want to have to come back out and wipe my instrument, or it would help me, prevent sticking my finger. So this way I just have it right here. I'm set. I don't have to keep coming out. So ergonomically, it's a lot better for me. The freehand ring was very comfortable. It was easy to use. It was easy to adjust to, and it's just all around a great product.
When wearing the freehand ring, it actually fits on your finger really securely. Because we have to wear gloves, that actually helps to keep the ring in place.
It was very easy to get dapped to. It didn't move around at all. It was very comfortable and light.
After the first couple patients, when I used the freehand ring, it definitely felt comfortable. It's not heavy, it's not bulky, it doesn't shift, it doesn't move around, so it stays in place. I would recommend the freehand ring to all hygienists, especially hygienists that work in a fast-paced setting.
If you're interested in purchasing the freehand ring and its inserts, or for more information, you can go to our website at freehandring.com.